This is actually the about 100 yards from our office on this drive in Spark, Nevada. And these are all farmland still, a real working farm, cattle ranch. As I've said, about 100 yards away from our office is this beautiful cattle ranch here in the middle of Sparks, Nevada. And that's the owner's house, I guess, from there, you know. And some subdivision, the preserve housing subdivision on this drive in Sparks, Nevada. So it's model homes from $250,000, all brand new homes. Okay, and after this we'll hit the Sparks Galleria. We have Home Depot, Gold's Gym, of course the fast foods, Taco Bell, and all the rest. You know, sometimes this is where I go to lunch. Red Robin and Port of Subs, etc. Costco's here too. Qdoba, Starbucks, Home Depot, Office Depot in this neck of the woods. Then again you'll see the pyramid hills there. So let's see if there's traffic. I don't think there's traffic whenever I go home. There's very light traffic at 5:13 in the afternoon. You know, it takes me about 20 minutes to get to the other side of town, which is Reno. This is Sparks, Nevada, and these are all nice hills. Okay, so hopefully it'll be like this all throughout the end of spring and going into summer. Okay, over and out. Have a nice evening. Bye bye. It's like 5:15 in the afternoon.